Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome to another episode of the Strength Classroom. Today I'm showing you my dynamic effort lower body workout for the week. Today is a good example of my GPP wave that the video is coming out soon if you haven't seen it. And if it have been out yet, then this is it put into practice and not just a generic video. So this is the tail end of the week. I did, let's see if I can do this calculation. I can't remember. I think it's 250 pounds. So that's 185 plus 40, 225 plus 10 on each side, 240. Yeah, this is 250 pounds. Should have had that ready before the video, but whatever. So 250 pounds. I did about 20 sets in 15 minutes, and that's a good number to strive for. I always try to hit 20 as a minimum when I do a GPP wave. Then I went with some 4-inch deficit deadlifts. This is the end of the 5x3 wave with waving from 70 to 80% of my normal deadlift max. So this is probably higher off my 4-inch deficit for sure, which I should have played around with, but it ended up being a decent wave. The speed was good. Then I did 4 sets of 10, and I'm coming out with a new video on how you should barbell row. You'll notice my next couple of workouts will be different with how I actually barbell row, and I'm getting way more out of less weight. And it will be a shock for some people that are always rowing heavy. If your back is being fatigued from barbell rows, there's an issue, and I will discuss it in that video. So here is a new lift that I've been working in, staggered stance. Good mornings. I'm basically playing around with how much my feet should be staggered. I think this is a bit too far, so it's an experiment, and I do think, because you could see how much my hips look like they're dropping, it's an issue. You don't want your hips to be dropping that much. So I will experiment with the amount of staggering I do with my feet. And here is some rounders. What I like to do with this, you'll see it says for 90 seconds. I just like to do this for time, okay? I just round and then unround my back to activate the muscles. Now you can also just keep yourself there. As you can see, it's just a static hold. And if you think that looks easy, I challenge you to try it with a safety squat bar. And to make it even harder, I flip the safety squat bar around so more of the weight is being pitched forward. When you do it the normal way, I find this does not work your upper back nearly as much as it does this way. So if you like this video, please click that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, share the videos with your friends if you think they'll like them as well. If you have a question for me, drop them in the comments, and as always, class is dismissed.